Good day, sir. My name is John Luis D. Gurembalem. I'm 21 years old. I'm living in Camaliran is Ordaneta City, Pangasinan. My hobby is playing basketball and playing online games. My motto is time is gold. Vision. A leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission. University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible Europeans through innovation, industry, focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values: uprightness, excellence, passion. Last semester, I had the opportunity to study Net 101 under the guidance of Sir Jeric Vicedo, who made the subject both engaging the informative. Net 101 introduced me to the fascinating world of computer networking, where I learned how devices communicate and share data across different types of networks. We explored the basic concepts of networking, including how data travels through cables and wireless signals, and how devices are identified using addresses. One of the most important lessons was understanding the difference between LAN or local area network and WAN or wide area network. We discuss how LANs are used in homes, schools, and offices, while WANs connect larger areas like cities or even countries. This helped me appreciate how the internet works and how it connects people globally. What I appreciated most was how Sir Jerick made sure we understood not just the theory, but also how to apply it. He patiently walked us through common network problems and taught us how solve them step by step. His approach made the subject easier to grasp even for beginners like me. I'm grateful for the experience and excited to continue learning field in this field. Thank you for listening.